As UniquelyDOUBLEBEE. Just got another product in the mail from Amazon that I ordered for my grill setup here, and it's a little basket with some clamps that hook on, and I can hang there and put my tools on and put spices and stuff inside here. However, I just opened it and damn thing already, the item came with some rust on it already. This is unset on both of these. Anyway, let's put it together and see what it looks like. You got the clips here for hanging stuff, and then wall mounts if you want to wall mount it. In my case, I'm using the clamps because I'm portable in my RV. So basically they just slide on inside one of these rectangular hole areas and then clamp onto the table or grill. Alright, got those both on. What I'm finding is best to put these on, or at least get one. Problem is my table here is beveled, so we'll see if these actually stay on. Places for screws here, but we'll see. I only have 4 items to hang, so I'll put 4 hooks, but there's 6 hooks in the bag. All right, here we go. There it is until it falls, maybe.